Have you ever played a game that had incredible potential but was held back by bugs, poor optimization, or missing features? Today, I'm revealing 14 incredible mods that don't just improve games, they rescue them. From unofficial bug fix patches and AI improvements to performance optimizers and quality of life upgrades, the modding community has accomplished what some developers never did. Imagine eliminating thousands of bugs, reducing crashes, boosting FPS, improving NPC intelligence, fixing broken quests, restoring cut content, enhancing graphics, adding modern controller support, reducing loading times, improving inventory management, expanding maps, balancing gameplay, upgrading textures, and polishing outdated interfaces, all without changing what made the original game great. Many legendary titles became fan favorites only after passionate modders stepped in. These community-made fixes often transform frustrating experiences into polished adventures that feel like official remasters. Before installing any mod, always back up your save files, verify compatibility with your game version, and download mods from trusted community websites. Reading installation instructions carefully can save hours of troubleshooting later. The biggest lesson: never judge a game by its launch state. Thanks to dedicated modding communities, many broken games have become masterpieces years after release. So, which game do you think deserves the biggest community fix? Drop your answer in the comments, I read every one. And if you love discovering hidden gaming upgrades, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we've got plenty more gaming secrets coming your way. See you in the next video.